Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, backup camera, heated seats, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.